Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Food Passion with Kulsum. Today I'll be sharing my paratha recipe with you all. It's very delicious and crispy paratha. You can have this with tea or you can pack this for your kids' lunch. Best served with some delicious butter chicken or chicken korma or any mutton or any vegetarian gravies. So let's check out what ingredients we'll be needing to make this delicious and crispy paratha. 2 cups of wheat flour and 1 cup of maida, that's all-purpose flour. Some salt and oil for frying. So I'm going to add some salt, around half a teaspoon of salt into the flour. So now I'll add in some water. Alright, my dough is all set, nice and soft. Now what I'll do is I'll make all equal size dough balls. And I'm going to use a peda which is size of a normal roti size. Not too big, not too small. Alright, I have made 10 of them, and to prevent them from sticking, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just dip them in this dry flour and keep them aside, because this way they do not stick to each other. But do not keep them for long, like you can keep for around 8 to 10 minutes until you just roll out all your parathas. Here you go. I've just kept them aside, and now I'm going to take one of the dough balls and I've dusted some flour onto the surface, and I'm going to start rolling it. Just to make a little larger chapati. The more thin and large you make, you get a nice flaky paratha out of it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dust some flour. This makes the paratha nice and crispy, and the layers will come out very nicely. And now I'm going to apply oil, which is a nice amount of oil, around 2 teaspoons full. Just absorb it into the atta. Okay, and put some more dry flour. The way to fold this paratha is just fold it like this, and this, and then this. This will make it square. Same way I'm going to fold all my paratha dough. So dust some flour, press it a little bit, and just start rolling. Don't worry if the oil is coming out. This is going to turn square. Alright, my paratha is done, and now I'll roast it. I've heated a tawa very nicely. As you can see, the smoke is coming out. At this point, you add in the paratha. And go ahead and add the oil from all the sides. Add some oil on the top. Now just go ahead and flip it. Just go ahead and press it nicely. You can add some oil here if you want. Alright, I have a wooden roti, what do you call it, I don't know. You get this in the supermarket as well as in the local market also. So this is very useful for the chapati, roti or paratha. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it once more to the other side. And I'm going to use this. This makes it extra crispy. By pressing this, you'll get a nice crispy paratha, which is really delicious. Alright, so you can see how delicious, crunchy and brown. See, look at this, it's become so crunchy. So I'm going to remove this onto a plate and make all my parathas the same way. Alright guys, my paratha is all done and I'll show you how crispy and flaky it's from inside. Look at this. You can have them with hot piping cup of tea, add some jam, roll, make a roll and give it to your kids in the tiffin box. And thank you for being here and watching my video. Don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Do take care of yourself. Until my next video, Allah Hafiz. Bye.